We were so wrong. We should have loved him.
Don't come back until you learn how to behave.
I can't endure this anymore. Michael, it's him or me.
Send the police to my old house. Arrest Michael and Diana immediately. Turn the TV up. I can't hear my favorite cartoons. Missed a spot. You are so slow today.
It's okay, buddy. I will clean it up real quick. There, all better now. Good boy.
Liam, the laundry isn't gonna wash itself. Hurry up!
Keep the noise down, Diana. I am trying to work.
No leftover roast for you. Just eat your plain rice.
Here you go, boy. Good dogs deserve good food. Today's word is injustice. It means things are not fair. Watch out, loser! Time for my superstar gymnastics routine. Oh no! Mom is gonna totally freak out!
My beautiful Italian vase. What happened here?
He pushed me. Liam did it because he's jealous of my pancakes. No, that's not fair. I was in the hallway.
Silence, Liam! Stop making excuses and learn some respect. I can't endure this anymore. Michael, it's him or me.
You are a destructive brat. Pack your bag. You're leaving. Don't come back until you learn how to behave.
Dad, please. I didn't do anything wrong. You came with me. You're my best friend. We have to survive on our own now, boy. Let's go! Washington, D.C.
Liam walked through Kids Land alone. Only his dog stayed by his side.
My wheel is broken. Nobody is helping me.
Liam stopped immediately, dropped his bag beside her.
It's okay. Huh? Let me look. There. Try it now. You fixed it. You actually fixed it. What's your name? Liam. Wait right here, Liam.
She rode straight through the president's gate. Moments later, she came back, pulling the president by the hand.
You are a true hero of Kids Land. Why are you all alone in Kids Land with only a backpack?
They threw me out when they said I wasn't perfect enough for their house.
No more, Liam. From this day on, you are a member of the Kids Land First family.
Is this real? I have a home. I finally have a real home.
A leader in Kids Land must always protect the smallest voices.
Yeah.
Remember that, Liam.
I promise, Mr. President. I will make sure everyone in Kids Land is treated fairly.
Liam, I don't have much time, but I trust you. By emergency decree, I command that Liam is now president.
Me? But I'm only 7. I can't run the country.
You know what is fair, Liam. Take charge. Change the world.
All right, Kids Land. It's time to make the rules. Let's go!
It's time to help everyone. We can do better together.
No parent is allowed to abuse or ignore their child. It's the law.
Every kid deserves love, fairness, and protection. Send the police to my old house. Arrest Michael and Diana immediately.
The police arrived. Justice had come to their door.
FBI and Secret Service! Open the door immediately!
What is going on? Why is the police here?
You are under arrest for severe child abuse and neglect.
Mom! Dad, what did you do? This is a total nightmare.
We were so wrong. We should have loved him.
Justice is finally served. They are guilty. And now they pay.
World leaders, citizens. It is time to talk about the word injustice. This was the first word I wrote. Today, it is the last.
It's over! We're finally going home to play.
We did it, buddy. The world is finally fair for everyone.
A letter arrived from Nora. Dear Liam, I am so sorry. You are a great brother.
She really means it, buddy. Everyone deserves a second chance.
I drew this for you. I hope we can be a family again. Of course we can, Nora. I forgive you completely. I am officially declaring today Family Forgiveness Day in Kids Land. If Liam's story made you feel something, subscribe so you never miss what happens next in Kids Land.
Look at them. We are so incredibly proud of the kids. And that is why in Kids Land, we always treat each other with kindness.
Welcome to the United States of Kids Land, where fairness rules forever.
All aboard for fairness. It's a beautiful world, isn't it? And we're just getting started.
Happy birthday, Kids Land! Here's to 1,000 years of fairness.
If you were in my place, would you have forgiven them too? Let me know in the comments.